this episode of C- Garage, I give you guys an update. You get to see where I've been this whole time. Here we go. Welcome back to C- Garage. It's been a while. It's been a long while since I posted a video. And the reason being is the shop that I was working at, working on the 57 in, I kind of had to get out of there. Basically, the owner of that place rented it out to a tow company or something like that. So he gets way more money from them than what we were giving him. I appreciate what he did for us, but so I didn't have a shop. So kind of the reason I haven't posted a video, because I don't have anywhere to work on all of my projects. Right now, me and my wife are building our own house from scratch with our own little mitts. And that was kind of taking up most of our time. And I didn't have a garage yet, so I kind of stopped just working on cars for a little bit. Had people still wanting me to, but I just couldn't. 57 got put on hold for Hot Rod Power Tour 2025, only because I kind of ran out of time and money by the time that deal was going. I got motor, trans, brakes, got it running and driving, but I couldn't get I didn't have an interior. I really didn't want to just throw something together and whatever. Didn't have glass and the weather stripping and stuff like that. So we just kind of put that on hold, and I took my personal truck, which is a 2016 F-150. It's kind of lame, but it was still fun. We had a great time on the Hot Rod Power Tour. I took my brother with me. Met a lot of cool people. Met some people I didn't think I would meet, and one of the coolest people though, Mike Cotton, David Newburn, all those guys. They were awesome. But yeah, we still had a great time on the Hot Rod Power Tour, even though I was in my lame F-150. Wish it could have been the 57, but hopefully this year I'll get the 57 ready. Because now I have a place to do it. I'm renting my own shop. 2,000 square foot building with heat, air, all the good stuff. Makes it super comfortable. Somewhere I can call my own, and somewhere where I can make these videos and not feel stupid when somebody's watching me. Even though everyone's watching me, like all of you guys. So, yeah, but I had people still calling me, wanting me to do some wiring for them. If you're new to the channel or whatever, I also rewire hot rods for people, old trucks, old cars, things like that. Get rid of the rat's nest and put some new stuff in. Some opportunities came up recently, and which is allowing me to do this, rent this thing. Doing a full restoration for a customer. I'll let you see that, but that's basically paying for my first year and a half or so of rent of this place, and which would be great. What else? Oh, I'm working on a C10 right now. I'm rewiring. I'm almost done with it for another customer, which is a really awesome customer. If you're the customer watching, you are awesome. Thank you. I appreciate everything that you got, all the cars that you bring me. He's also bringing me another one after this one. It's a 55 Chevy pickup on a Colorado frame. It's gonna be kind of trick, kind of cool. But yeah. I guess I'll just take you around and show you my little building and show you what I'm working on and let you see. So here's the C10 that I'm working on right now for a guy. I'm doing basically rewiring the whole deal. Basically gave me the truck. There's not a single stitch of wire in it, which is awesome. Kind of sucks sometimes because I don't know exactly where things were yet, but I'm doing it. So Nice 383 stroker in this bad boy. I'm not really a fan of the yellow, but it, I don't know, goes good with this truck. Because this truck is like a John Deere deal. C10 long bed was cut down to be a short bed. It's really, really cool. It's got all the goodies in it. You know, tubular control arms, you know, disc brakes now. Obviously 383 stroker with all the fancies, super fancy stuff here. All the stuff that I cannot afford. And maybe some of you guys can't either, I don't know. You know, like I said, aluminum radiator. Got the Dakota Digital dash, vintage air. I don't know, I'm not familiar on this generation of C10s, so I don't know if this is like a 72. I think it's a 72, maybe 71. You could leave a comment in there and tell me what it is. If you're the customer, you can't. But yeah, this thing is freaking neat. These big old US mag wheels on it. It doesn't have the interior. It doesn't have seats in it. He left the seats out for me so I could. It's way easier to wire under the dash with the seat out. I did it. Steering column, brand new. Like I said, the Dakota Digital dash, which is not in yet. It's wired up, ready to go. I just got to plug it in. I'm done. I'm really done in there. I just got to clean all my junk out of it. Fantastic looking wood bed. Oh, and the tint on the windows. Yellow tint. I didn't like it at first, but it's kind of cool. Kind of cool inside. I think he did a really good job on cutting this thing down. I mean, but yeah. Got all new lights in it, all new lenses, new bumpers. I mean, underneath this thing is immaculate too. 700 R4 transmission in it. Obviously the gas tank was relocated to the rear. So I don't know what he's gonna do here. But that would be something. I think I've seen like a battery disconnect thing they can do here, which is not in this truck, but I've seen that. Or there's that fake filler neck. But yeah, so I don't know. I guess we can try and look at some of my wiring here. So everyone's always telling me, show us pictures of your wiring or whatever. It's like, how do you make wiring look good? I'm not like this super custom guy, but I mean, I do some custom stuff, but it's always hard. I always think pictures make it look ugly to me. But I guess we'll try a video and let you see. So, like, you know, headlight stuff's all tucked up in here. Don't worry, this is just loom. I'm working on finishing the loom up right now. But loom that all up. It's all the wiring's going under here. Sorry if I'm bumping the camera, make you sick. Basically comes out. The front harness comes out here. Rear harness comes out at the bottom there. Runs across. Bing, bang, boom, out the back. I try to make make all these wires come out one little hole here. You know, starter wire, all that good stuff. All the typical things. And then, you know, your AC stuff. And then for like, I think this kit is the American Auto Wire kit. So, I don't know, it's kind of hard to see, but all the fuses and stuff I buried under the battery box, and yeah, it's all buried in there. I really don't feel like pulling all that out to try and show that, but all cabling, you know, power ground, alternator wire, kind of tape that thing all up. Pretty cool. Pretty neat truck. He did say this truck was for sale. If any of you guys are interested, you could leave a comment, say, hey, I'd like to buy it. I don't know the exact number, but no, I don't know. It's going to be a little high because it's got all kinds of good stuff on it. The whole underside of this thing frame is completely done, powder coated. Sorry, I'm just going to turn you crazy sideways. New exhaust, all that stuff. Old truck, all new parts. Really neat. So, Here is the restoration that is allowing me to buy, or rent, not buy this magnificent 2,000 square foot shop with heat and air conditioning, which I love, and my own pooper closet right in there. Anyways, 1967 Mustang Fastback, obviously, GT, S-code car, which I believe from all my, I'm not a Mustang guy, so I'm not like what's his name, Dave or Collins Brothers, whatever, you know, Gas Monkey Garage buddy guy. He's like super knowledgeable on all Mustang stuff, but S-code means 390 big block. I believe it was the first year big block in a Mustang, but yeah, so S-code car, extremely rough, as you can tell. This thing had been sitting in a field for 25 plus years. This customer is a friend of mine from way back. She drove this car in high school, or bought this car when she was in high school. She said for $900. Man, don't you wish you could have this thing for $900? I tried to give her triple what she paid for, and she wouldn't go for it, but wouldn't that be cool? So, anyways, 1967 Mustang Fastback GT. Awesome car. This thing was completely full of rat crap. Rat. This thing was rat. This is like the rat rod. I pulled the hood off of this thing, and there was this much pine needles and leaves. This was all it was showing, was the air cleaner part. Just the top of that, all buried. It took me and my son like an entire Saturday just to clean this thing out. And it's still not even clean out. You can still see. I mean, he had that stuff packed into here. But yeah, everything under there in the passenger compartment is gross. It was disgusting. He's packed all the way inside the dash. There was grass and sticks and stuff coming out of the radio and the glove box and everything. There was like literally this much. There was this much poop in the car. It still stinks. But this whole thing's getting completely restored. 100%. Everything new. It is for the options of this car or whatever that I looked up. 4-speed. Super sweet. Dual exhaust, which I think I don't know if I read something right. Dual exhaust came on GTs or whatever. Plus like the factory disc brakes, power disc brakes is really cool. This thing is rough. It's gonna take a while to put this whole girl back together, but we're gonna do it. You know something? I'll show you. It was really funny. She's telling me when she was in high school, she was running from the cops or something, and she was backing out of something, and she backed into something and dented up the bumper. I thought it was really hilarious because it's like the dent is right in the State Farm or Farm Bureau stuff, insurance company deal. It's hilarious. But this thing's rough and stinky. I haven't done much to it just yet besides clean it out. I did take the tank out because it was stinking up the new shop. But this is gonna be fun. I'm really excited about this one because for one, I'll actually be able to go from start to finish on it because it's not in my wallet. I couldn't afford this. There's no way I could afford to build this car like this person can. These are expensive to build, but we're gonna do it, and it's gonna be so cool, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me on the whole deal. You're gonna watch me build this thing start to finish. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Besides this car, I'll still be doing some wiring. Like I said before, the guy that owns this car, or this truck, has a 55 Chevy pickup on a Colorado frame. that I'm gonna be rewiring for him right after this one too, while we're waiting on parts for this guy. I think I'm gonna bring my 57 in because I have so much room in here. It's like, there's so much room for activities. I mean, it's ridiculous. I'm not used to this. I'm like used to a 1-car garage, and this all being my own is sweet. I've got so much room to put stuff. Like, I thought I had a lot of tools at one point, but I really don't. Now that I'm looking, I'm like, I mean, that's it. That's my little toolbox and my couple benches that I thought I had a whole bunch of junk. And then, you know, my miscellaneous stuff, my welder that I absolutely love, even though a lot of people don't like the 110 MIG welders. I love the Eastwood stuff. Eventually I'm gonna have all Eastwood stuff. Anyway, rambling, like I said, I would like to put my 57 in here so we can do that for Hot Rod Power Tour this year. My son, I got him a 80, gosh, I can't remember. I think it was an 85, 88 Chevy Blazer, 2-door, 2-wheel drive. I picked 2 of these things up for $500. He absolutely fell in love with one. We're gonna be swapping the engine in it. So, and if we can't take the 57, which is probably not, man, I really wish we could take the 57. I really hope we get it. Keep your fingers crossed that we can take the 57 this year. If not, that's gonna be, his Blazer is probably gonna be one of them. But here's my little shop. You know, big area, got my own garage door, door's always locked. Nice climate control, like I said. Got my own porcelain throne. Yeah. Sorry if the noise is starting to rain, it sounds like. Got a little mezzanine up here with a little room. I mean, it's a mezzanine. It's just a whatever. And it's got its own little office. Which, it's got a little office. I can't see. Help me. Oh, they haven't even been in here in a long enough. I don't remember where the lights are. Oh, this is all I got in here. A little car. A little pedal car. Picked up some, I don't remember where we got that. Me and my wife got that from somewhere. Gonna try and decorate this deal up. I think I'm gonna ask my cousin, Alex, if you watch this. I would really love you to come do your OCD, like rearrange and make that thing look cool in there. That'd be great. What other news? What other news can I tell you guys? I really am hoping to make more videos more often now. I know it's been a really long time, and probably your whole 25 subscribers. And put this out there if you could. That'd be great. Try and tell people to watch C- Garage. You know, I don't know everything. I know a lot, but I don't know everything. I think my motto is what I'm gonna go with. The other cool thing is about this deal, when I rented this building, it's in like a strip mall deal. Not a strip mall, but an industrial park. My building is C. Building C, which I didn't realize until like 2 days after I rented it. It's like, it's a garage. It's a C. It's C minus garage. It was like I was supposed to be here. It's so crazy. It was so fun and like, like, so. Anyways, I'll stop rambling. Next video, I hope to show you the new truck that I'm starting to wire. Hope we have some parts and some more, and start on the Mustang. I hope to have a 57 in here, at least out of the rain because I have it under a tarp right now at the house out in the field, and I really don't like that because I put a brand new floor in it. I'll show you that too. I actually did a lot of work to that thing since you guys last seen it. But yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, share with your friends, like, comment, do all that good YouTube stuff, and help me out. I'd appreciate it. Thanks. See ya.